Hi guys, my name is Akash. I'm a cost accountant, and this video will be dedicated to all the final students. I mean, not exactly the final students, the cost accountants who are freshly qualified cost accountants. So basically, in this video, we'll be discussing everything about the campus placement form filling. So one second. Yeah. So basically, there are a few questions that people have started asking me a lot. They were asking me a lot, and I uploaded a video as well. But I think this has to be reached to a lot of people. So first of all, we have to upload the documents in. I mean, we have to upload the percentage or the grades in a percentage basis. In tenth or in BCom usually we might have. I mean, on your degree basically we might have scored in the CGPA. So you need to convert the CGPA into percentage basis. For example, if you are someone from CBSE in your 10th, then you have to multiply your CGPA to percentage by multiplying 9.5. For example, if you are a student who scored 10 CGPA, then you have to multiply it by 9.5. So you will be getting 95 percentage. Okay, remember this. At the same time, if you are a BCom guy who has scored 9 CGPA, then it's 9 into 9.5. 9.5 is for Osma University. I don't know about the other universities. You can actually Google it, or you can find the thing in your institute website as well. What your institute website, your university website. Next, moving to what percentage to be used in CMA. Yeah. For example, if you are someone who has passed your CMA Inter, for example, CMA Inter by scoring 193 in Group 1 and 218 in Group 2, then this is simple. 218 by 400, you'll be getting some 50, anyways, 54%, 54.25, 54.5%, I guess. And if you are someone who is, and when it comes to 193, it's 193 divided by 400. Okay, that will be below 50% only. But Group 1 plus Group 2 plus Group 3 plus Group 4, finals, right? So Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4, all 4 divided by 4 equals to, or more than, that will be more than 50. This is for sure. Even the same thing will be given below the spaces as well, below the slots as well. So I think we are done with these two. So percentage basis, your 10th and BCom. Next, your percentage to be used in this one. Next, attempts. Yeah, many people have asked me regarding the attempts thing. Now, if you are someone, if you are someone who has scored, who has paid the fees and written at least one subject in the whole group. Like for example, there is a guy called Sudhir. Sudhir has paid for the attempt and has only attempted one exam. Then the whole attempt will be counted. And if Sudhir has paid for a group and he has not attempted even one examination of that group, the attempt will not be counted. For example, Sudhir gave exam on June 23, didn't qualify. December 23, he paid, but he did not attend even one examination, and finally he qualified both the groups in June 24. Now what happened is that one attempt, zero attempt, and second attempt. So it will be given that he has passed in the second attempt. The same thing goes for other groups as well. Like if he has qualified the group 1, okay, group 2 he paid the fees but he didn't attend the exam, and again he has again he paid the exam and attended the exam and he qualified the group 3. Then he'll be group 4 one attempt, group 3 two attempts. Likewise, I think we're done with the attempts as well. If you have any doubt, just comment below, I'll answer you. Okay, next, current experience, previous experience, and practical training experience. In the slot of practical training experience, the thing is that you have to You have to write only that information for what you have submitted T1 or T5 form or T3 form. T1 or T5 form. The reason being, because that is practical training experience as per your curriculum. That is given as per the CMA Institute, and they'll be having the certificates of that as well. When it comes to current experience, the company where you are working right now as on today is 29th August. Okay, and you are planning to continue there for at least 1 week or something, because when you're going for the campus placement, there's no point in continuing the organization where you're working right now. Next, previous experience is something where you have already worked. It's been 1 week or 1 month or 1 year, but you're not working there right now. Next, we are done with this. Next, convocation and orientation, where you have applied for PPOP, where you have applied for pre-placement orientation program. thus that center itself, they'll do the convocation on the last day. Okay, like there are 13 centers, and yeah, there are 13 centers completely, and for Andhra Pradesh and Telangana we have Hyderabad and Vijayawada. At the same time, for North we have Delhi, Jaipur, Pune. Pune comes from Maharashtra. Yeah, all these centers. There, I mean, all India there are. Surat is also there in Gujarat. So completely 13 centers are there. Okay, 12 to 13 centers. And when it comes to campus placement, we have only 4 centers, which is Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Okay, only these 4 centers. So depending upon your region, you can select your campus, and you can select any campus. I mean, that doesn't really matter. If you're someone who is registered in the Kerala chapter but you want to go to Delhi, yeah, you can select Delhi as well. Next, fees is 6,000 rupees. Okay, fees is 6,000 rupees. Once you have filled all the form, once you have submitted your resume, once you have submitted your passport size photo, that has to be formal passport size photo, then you have to pay the fees of 6,000. By any chance, if you feel that you have made any mistake and you want to edit the details, yes, you can very well edit it. Okay, just the same thing, just as you entered from your result, and you entered your registration number and your date of birth. Go through the same thing, change the details that you want to change, and finally click the submit. The changes will be saved in the website, and the same will be given to the campus. But until when can you make the changes? Tomorrow is the last day. If you ask me, I would request you to complete the whole process by tomorrow afternoon only. I don't know about the institute website. I mean, it may sometimes crash because only 1,300 students are there. I don't think that will be a big issue, but still, be on a safer side now. Why do you want to take a risk? Just stop being lazy and you just do it. Okay, I guess yeah, I've answered all the questions. So basically, I've answered you regarding the percentage basis. What percentage to use in CBSE? Sorry, CMA. Yeah, someone asked me in the morning that can I use CMA degree as a PG? No, because you're already submitting this as your CMA degree, right? So there's no point using the same there. And also, I think CMA can be used as a PG degree only for UGC NET exams. I mean, if you're going for a doctorate or something. Doctorate, PhD, PhD or something. So and also the other exams as well. So I think attempts might be cleared. I'm just explaining you again attempts ke bare mein. Yeah, this is Suresh. Sorry, June 23. He has passed one exam. Okay. He gave for both the groups, passed one exam and failed in other exam. In December 23, he gave another exam but he still failed. And finally in June 24, he passed this exam. So ultimately, if this is group 1, I mean if this is group 1 or group 2 or group 3 or group 4, whatever it may be, it will be said that for group 3 he passed in 1 attempt, and group 4 he passed in how many? 3 attempts. Okay. But however, if the same story repeats, here he passed one subject, here he did not, but here he paid, but he did not attend even one exam. But even if you attend one exam, that will be counted as an attempt. But here he did not attend even one exam. So this will not be considered as an attempt because you didn't attempt the exam. The point is that you didn't even attempt the exam. So that will be removed. And finally, in June 24, he passed. Then here it will be given that group 3 1 attempt, group 4 2 attempts. Okay. Next, how many marks are to be calculated when you have an exemption? Good question. So subject 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this will be case 1, case 2. Suppose you have scored an exemption in subject 1. So 60, and because of one subject you failed. Say for example 39, 45 and 58. Okay, I don't know the total because I don't know how to calculate right now. So in this case, for the next attempt, number of marks that will be carried is 50. Why? Because you failed in one subject. The number of marks that will be carried is 50. Like 50 marks will be exempted. You have to write for 150 marks. But if you have 60 and you have scored 40 here, 45 and 58, you have passed in all the exams. So this will be counted as 60. Why? Because you have passed all the exams. I think everything is clear till now. I have explained you the marks. I mean, this marks calculation will be helpful when you will be calculating here. Okay, because one group will be, I mean, you will be having one subject from other group, right? So that will be helpful for calculating the group wise percentage. Previous experience, this attempts also have explained. Orientation and convocation, yeah, okay. Next, campus placement. Campus placement are also okay. And yeah, if you were asking whether how, I mean, can we sit, there are 4 places, right? Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai. Chennai, right? So if you feel, that you were not selected in Chennai campus, can I go for Kolkata campus or Mumbai campus or Delhi campus? No, you cannot go. Once you are rejected for that whole phase. Okay, this is phase 1. But in campus there will be 2 phases usually. Okay, 2 phases. Second phase will be after the first phase of 30 days gap, I guess. After once the first phase is complete, after 30 days, your second phase will be started. Okay, now if you are someone who has selected Chennai for the first phase, now you can select now you can select Delhi, Mumbai or Kolkata, even again Chennai for the second phase. So that is it. I guess, I mean, yeah, if you have any doubts, you can surely comment down. You can actually comment down. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you didn't like the video, please hit the dislike button. Yeah, you can, but you don't, please. Okay, and share this video to as many people, I mean